Today we're going to be making a sun butter. Some of you guys got sun butter. Other of you got peanut butter. So this is either a sun butter or a peanut butter and jam roll-up. So I have my little helper here who's going to help make our roll-up. So first you're going to open up your tortillas. You like tortillas? Yeah?
Yeah, but not a lot.
But not a lot. And lay it out. Then we're going to open up our sun butter. Can you get it? Nope. There we go. And we got to take the seal off.
Is this peanut butter?
Nope.
What is it?
Sun butter.
Oh, mine? Ew!
It looks like our sun butter needs stirred a little bit. Stir it a little bit. There we go. That looks a little bit better.
Now can you put it on?
Now you're going to put some on your tortilla and spread it around. Get some more. Here. Ready? We're going to scoop it out and go bloop.
Yep.
And spread it around all over your tortilla. Is that enough?
No.
No? You want some more? Bloop.
Bloop. All over my fingertip.
Mommy spread a little bit. This way and make sure we cover a big chunk of our tortilla. Alright. Next, we're going to take the jam. You guys got a jam like this. And we're going to scoop it onto our tortilla. Onto the tortilla. Get a little bit more. Alright, now spread it around like we did the sun butter. Make sure we get every piece of sun butter covered in some yummy jam, huh? Alright. Then, once you have this done, you're going to take your tortilla and roll it up. And once you've done that, if you want to, you cut it in half. And now, whoops. And now, you have a sun butter and jam roll.
Can I taste it?
Okay, bye.
Bye.